Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy for NEET PG. To truly master anatomy, begin by prioritizing high-yield areas like neuroanatomy and embryology, as these often carry significant weight. Don't just read, actively engage with the material. Integrate visual learning by consistently using detailed diagrams and anatomical atlases. This visual reinforcement is crucial for understanding complex structures and their relationships. Regular practice with multiple-choice questions will solidify your knowledge and improve recall under exam conditions. Beyond basic memorization, employ active recall methods. Crafting detailed flowcharts for anatomical pathways, like nerve innervation or blood supply, helps visualize connections and functions. Mnemonics are incredibly powerful for recalling intricate names and sequences, making otherwise dry facts stick. Furthermore, teaching concepts to a study partner is an excellent way to identify gaps in your own knowledge and solidify your understanding. Explaining a topic clearly demonstrates true mastery. Choosing the right resources is paramount for efficient study. Always refer to standard textbooks for a strong foundational understanding of anatomical principles. Don't hesitate to supplement these with online video lectures. Different instructors can offer fresh perspectives that clarify difficult topics. Consistent practice is key, so aim to solve at least 100 anatomy multiple-choice questions weekly. This volume of practice will expose you to various question types and improve your speed and accuracy. To ensure long-term retention, consistent review is non-negotiable. Regularly revisit previously studied topics to prevent the natural decay of memory. Equally important is maintaining a balanced study schedule that includes adequate sleep and breaks. Burnout is counterproductive. Remember, a fresh mind absorbs information much more effectively. Also, for those looking to simplify their home life, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your study space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.